Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today, more 2021 Mustangs running our Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. We're going to go into Dyno Cell and check out a sweet blue automatic 21 GT with the Phase 2 kit running 93 octane fuel. I have another 21 behind me, has the Roush Phase 2. We're installing a set of headers today on this one. So as you can see, we love these Superchargers. We install a lot of them and we keep them in stock. We can ship them right to your door. Check that description for a link so you can check out the price. I have Doug with me. Let's head in the Dyno Cell and check out the star of the show, the blue 21 GT. So this is the 21 GT I was talking about. We're gonna watch it lay down over 650 real horsepower, which is killer numbers for this 50 state legal kit through the automatic. Doug, let's take a look at the engine compartment. We did do a few other mods as well, but the big boy right here, we have the Roush front inlet 2650 Phase 2 intercooled supercharger. It comes in a complete kit. You get the calibration as well as the cold air induction system. The boxes, it's actually 4 boxes when you get it. Comes with everything you need to install it. One upgrade on this are the coil covers. Those don't come in the kit. You have to add that. But what else do we do? We did cooling mods. You know I love that. So we have the rear cylinder head cooling kit. We did our big Adler radiator. And then we did the UPR dual catch can kit. Doug, it's kind of hard to see. Maybe take a peek. You can see this one down here. You have awesome lines. Basically, you get driver and passenger side. It's a complete kit. It just essentially bolts on. I'll put a link to that in the description. Why do you want catch cans? Well, any oil you can prevent going through the induction, well, oil going through the induction in general will reduce your octane. You don't want that, especially with the blower. So these will essentially catch that oil to keep your octane up as high as you're getting at the pump. Like I said, running 93 octane, you can run these kits on any premium fuel, so 90, 91, or even higher than 93, but it's 93 today. Let's check out this dyno pull. All right, Doug, come on. Doug's distracted. He loves this car. I want to show these numbers. Dynojet SAE, rear wheel 662, peaking at 6,800 RPM. Torque, I love it, 555, peaking at 4,900. Right here, that's 3,000. We're over 500 torque. And we stay there all the way across the board. So that's what makes this kit so awesome. It's why I have it on my 19 GT automatic, because when you go wide open throttle, you feel the power right away, no waiting for it to come in. It's the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger kit. Doug, let's just take one more look. So it's the Phase 2, flywheel rated, 750 horsepower, 50 state legal, comes with a calibration, and Roush does include a 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty. These fit the 18 and up Mustang GT. So hey, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, leave that comment. Email quote@brentspeed.com and say, hey, what's that cost to get installed? Or maybe you don't want that, you want something else. Just shoot us an email, and that description will have a link to this kit. You can click on to see what it costs. We can ship them right to your door. We have them in stock. Thanks for watching.